I tried to be careful, but I still broke it. This is my fault.
Stop that noise now. You are too loud every day, and this house must stay quiet.
We are sorry, Mr. Rowan. We were only playing, but we can be quiet now.
Quiet means quiet. Think before you shout, and think before you kick.
I only wanted to play. Why does he look at me like I am bad? You are not bad, Jace. But he is angry for a reason, and we do not know it yet.
Mr. Rowan lived next door, but he never smiled, never waved, and never wanted visitors. Good morning, Mr. Rowan. We are sorry for the noise, and we hope you are okay.
He heard us, but he still says nothing. Maybe that house has a quiet problem.
A quiet problem? Then maybe he is not just angry. Maybe he is hiding something. This is our first clue. He does not just hate noise. He needs quiet for something.
Let's use kind words, not loud games. Maybe he will listen to us this time.
If we bring him cookies, maybe he will know we are not trying to make trouble. Walk slowly, Jace. This is a peace mission, not a soccer mission. Good morning, Mr. Rowan. Mom made cookies, and we want to share them with you.
No cookies. No visits. Please go home and keep your voices soft today.
He closed the door again, but did you see his eyes? He looked behind him first. He did not look at the cookies. He looked inside, like someone was sleeping there. Second clue, no visitors. Third clue, he checks the house before he talks.
You can wonder, but do not push. His house is private, even when it feels strange.
I understand, Dad. We will not go inside, but we can still think about the clues.
Some people close doors because they are mean. Some people close doors because they are scared.
Scared is a good clue. Maybe his angry voice is hiding a scared heart. Mya, I saw a purple scarf inside. That does not look like Mr. Rowan's scarf.
The children had more clues, but the biggest clue was still waiting inside the quiet house.
That bag looks like medicine. Maybe someone inside his house needs help.
He closed the door softly this time. Maybe someone inside is resting.
The clues are changing. He is not only angry, he is careful too. If someone is sick inside, our loud games may hurt more than we think.
That is a kind thought, Jace. A good detective also cares about people.
From now on, this side is the quiet side. No loud games near his window.
Soft kick, soft voice, and careful feet. I can do this.
Good job! The game is still fun, and the quiet side stays safe. Hello, Mr. Rowan. We are playing softly today, and we are far from your window.
Keep it that way. Quiet is better for this house.
He did not shout this time. That is small, but it is still progress. Maybe he can be less angry if we are more careful first.
They are learning to listen. That is a big thing for little hearts.
For a while, the children kept their promise. Then one small mistake changed everything.
Careful, Jace. The grass is wet near that stone, so kick very slowly. I kicked softly. Wait, why is it going toward his house?
No, Jace. It turned toward Mr. Rowan's glass door.
I tried to be careful, but I still broke it. This is my fault. We cannot run away. We must tell the truth before he finds it alone. My heart feels very loud now. I am scared, but hiding would be worse. Mr. Rowan, we are outside. We broke your glass, and we need to say sorry. Please answer us. We will not touch anything, and we will wait right here. Did you hear that? Someone is inside, but it does not sound like Mr. Rowan. Our ball is inside, and that purple scarf is there too. The clue was real.
Stay near the door, children. There is broken glass, and I do not want you hurt.
I am very sorry. I kicked the ball, and it hit your glass door. We played far away, but the ball hit a stone and went the wrong way.
It is all right, children. Please do not stand there looking so afraid.
Mya, there really is someone inside. She looks kind, not scary.
My name is Mrs. Rowan. You may come a little closer, but step carefully.
Wait until I clean this path. Glass is sharp, and safety comes first.
Hello, Mrs. Rowan. We are sorry for the loud sounds and for the broken glass.
You came to say sorry. That is brave, and brave children may have a cookie.
Thank you, but I feel bad. I broke your door, and I made trouble for you.
A broken door can be fixed. A true sorry is harder, and you already did that.
My wife needs quiet rest. Loud sounds make her head hurt, and I become afraid.
So you were not angry because you hate us. You were worried because you love her.
Yes, but I spoke badly. I should have used kind words, not angry words.
When he is scared, his voice becomes hard. But his heart is soft.
I thought you hated us. Now I know you were trying to protect your home.
I never hated you, Jace. I only forgot that children need clear words.
The mystery is solved. The secret was not scary. The secret was care.
Dad, I see broken glass near Mr. Rowan's house. I think the children are there.
Stay calm. First we check the children, then we help Mr. Rowan safely. Mr. Rowan, are Jace and Mya safe? We are here, and we want to help.
They are safe. They told the truth, and I kept them away from the glass.
I am happy you are safe, but you must call us before entering another house.
I understand, Mom. I wanted to say sorry fast, but I should have called you. I should have stopped at the door and called you too. We both made that mistake.
You made a mistake, but you told the truth. Now we fix the problem together. I will call a glass worker now. Nobody should touch the broken glass anymore.
Mrs. Rowan, I am sorry we did not understand. We will help keep this place quiet.
Thank you. I like children, but my body needs calm days now.
I should have told your family before. I was tired and scared, so I sounded cold.
Thank you for telling us now. We can be better neighbors when we understand.
Maybe we can make a quiet map so our games stay away from this room. We can play here, far from your window. I can be the quiet captain.
A quiet captain is very special. Brave does not always mean loud.
If you keep your promise, I will try to use a softer voice too.
Deal. I will keep my promise, and I will look before I kick.
Maybe today is a good day for cookies from both houses.
For the first time, the closed door did not feel so closed anymore.
This place is safe for now. We will fix the glass, and we will fix our habits too.
This is the new play zone. No strong kicks near the quiet side. This ribbon means stop and think. I need that before my foot moves.
I can see the new play zone from here. It looks kind and careful.
Hello, Mrs. Rowan. We will play softly today, and we will keep our quiet promise.
When I was young, I played soccer too. I was not always a quiet old man.
You played soccer? Then maybe you can teach us how to aim away from glass.
First lesson, look before you kick. Second lesson, listen before you play.
You made a mistake, but you made it right with honesty, care, and listening.
Jace learned that an angry voice can hide a worried heart, and kindness can solve the quietest mystery.